We are here at MD&M 2026 in Anaheim, California, and today I'm here with Antti Tauriainen from Finland, and he's one of our customers, and he's talking to us a little bit about this TPU solution we have here on our TPU film. And yeah, Antti, what are you doing with our TPU film?
So we are CDMO and we are vertically integrated. We do technical printing for medical disposables. On top of printing, we do converting, mechanism integration, testing, and so on. And there are a couple of good reasons why we chose your materials for this product. First, it's flexible. Secondly, it's conformable. Thirdly, it fulfills the biocomp requirements for this kind of application where the product is actually touching broken skin, so basically directly in contact with blood. And it's breathable as well, as the product might be on the patient's skin for a week, so it needs to be really good on the skin as well.
Perfect, that's great. And what are some of the unique features you are integrating here for the customer?
So our customer needed a product that can be in long-term contact with the skin, and to make it good for use, for example, diabetes patients, it cannot cause pressure on the skin and thus cause additional laceration, for example. So TPU in thin form, 50 micron, 25 micron, total thickness about 75 micron, is really good for that purpose. And what we have done, we have printed multiple layers of conductive materials on the sensor, including special materials to protect the silver from blood and saline. And we have developed for your materials special processing that allows us to print on these flexible materials. And then the heat lamination is also, if not unique, very seldomly found on converters like us.
Perfect, sounds great. No, thanks for sharing this, Antti, today with us, and always great to see some innovative solutions with our films. Thank you.
Thank you, Kai.